The king of all Greek sauces would have to be tzatziki. It's a yogurt and cucumber sauce, absolutely delicious. And the key to making it really good is to strain your yogurt to make a labna. But I'm going to show you a lactose-free version using kefir. This is a fantastic product. It's a slow fermented yogurt, so when you do pour it, it will be lumpy, and that's the characteristic of it. Now, this is delicious as is, kept in the fridge as a drink, but to make this into a labneh, we simply pour the kefir, the lactose-free kefir, into some muslin cloth, into a strainer, and you'll need most of the bottle for this. Perfect. Then I'll gather the sides, and we're just going to form a little bundle, and just to ensure it stays in its spot, just with a rubber band, tie it together. Now you want to leave this as is in the fridge overnight, and as it starts to strain, you'll see all the whey in the bowl. After 2 days, this is what it looks like, and you get this almost cheese-like consistency. This is now a labneh, and I love it because it's quite tangy and really creamy. It's also lactose-free. So we're going to pop this into another bowl. So we'll take the muslin away, and we'll just tip it in. Tzatziki also needs cucumber, and I've just grated this coarsely. I've added lots of salt, and you can see how much liquid we get out of it. Use your hands to squeeze the liquid out, and we'll add that to our kefir labneh, along with a small amount of garlic, some lemon juice, and a small amount of extra virgin olive oil, just a little. Give that a mix. And your tzatziki is ready to go. Now, you can serve this with your souvlaki, or you can serve it just like I like to do, as a dip. Spread it out. Look how creamy that looks. And to garnish it, maybe a little olive in the center and a sprig of dill. That looks very old school. To finish it off, a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. Oh, just the look of that reminds me of being in Greece.